Hi everybody, my name is John and I have studied architecture in the Academy of Art University of San Francisco.
Hi, I'm Michael and I have studied marketing in the University of Stanford.
As you know, today is the anniversary of one of the worst news that the city of San Francisco have received in the last years, the fall of the Golden Gate Bridge.
I remember that day. The people was crying, rain and screaming in the streets. And also, the newspaper said that was the catastrophe of the history of San Francisco.
But fortunately, the town hall reacted quickly and gave to the citizens the opportunity to be part and protagonist of the new project, especially students, who are the present and the future of the city.
So, they threw a challenge to the city of San Francisco: create the new Golden Gate Bridge. For that, they used Kungana as a tool.
And I suppose that you are asking, what is Kungana? Well, Kungana is a web application where you can find partners, create a project team, and use the tools and resources that they offer to solve the challenges that companies and institutions throw there.
When I saw the challenge at the town hall of San Francisco in Kungana, I thought that this was my opportunity to give something to the city where I was born. So, I started finding people and I saw John D. So, we created our project team.
After hours and hours working, we sent our project to the town hall, and they chose ours as the best, giving us a really interesting award.
Now, we are proud of being part of the history of San Francisco, and we have to say thank you Kungana for giving us the opportunity to create our own professional portfolio and show to the people what we're able to do.
Yeah, thanks to that, actually, I'm working on HOP, one of the most prestigious and famous architecture brands of the world.
Now, actually, I'm working in Google as a marketing product leader.
So we invite you to use Kungana, which is a marketplace where you can find partners, create a multidisciplinary team, and use the tools and resources that they offer to solve the challenges that companies and institutions throw there.
So,
Join Kungana!